Hi, my name is Miles Tangos, and I have three things to announce to you today. One, two, three. Three things to announce to you today. The first is I am beyond excited to announce that I am relaunching TangoTopics.com today. Tango Topics has a wide range of instructional technique videos on foundation, follower technique, lead technique, walking, embrace, ochos, turns, crosses, staccatos, colgadas, ocho cortados, the Golden Nugget series, as well as a host of 800 plus technique and instruction videos, each with their own extensive articles on how to make your dance more pleasurable and desirable from a leading, following, and or dancing perspective. And that's not even a mention, which I'm going to mention, the 500 plus entries on Codagos, Floorcraft, Orchestras, Tango definitions, my own Tango meanderings, Tango ideas, Tango reminders on topics like the taller follower dancing with a smaller lead, and vice versa, body position, body placement, arm positions, desirable hand positions, as well as the role of the active follower, the best way to ask a man to dance and actually get it, how to do a lead cabeceo, how to enter the line of dance, where to sit, and so much more that I can't talk about it in just 90 seconds. And it's not just technique videos. There's also my courses on the 5 pause types and my signature music teaching tool, Tango del Dia, which will help you to hear the music in a completely new and different way, way beyond the usual 8-count beat narrative, which actually doesn't teach you how to interpret the music. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. You really want to go look at the sheer volume of information that's sitting there. And that's announcement number 1, relaunching Tango Topics today. And that's not all. Today I'm launching 2 services. The first is Tango Topics Video Analysis Service. This is expert feedback on your dancing with voiceover from me, said expert. It's also a detailed video breakdown on what you're doing and how you're doing it with timestamps and visual on-screen annotations. And if you go for the works, you get on-screen titles and ancillary information about what you're doing embedded directly in your video response. And you also get a notation guide, which contains each individual note and timestamp, plus a link to a corrective article on tangotopics.com. I also give you feedback on your 5 social figures and how to improve your foundation. And now I'm saving the best for last. If you really want to elevate your dancing experience, there's no better way to do that except through a one-on-one 13-week, 4-day-a-week customized tango instruction course to help you to become the dancer you've always imagined yourself to be. Today, I am pleased to announce that I am bringing back Tango Topics Intensive Study Program. This is personalized, one-on-one tango instruction. It's in-depth technical analysis with loads of video feedback every single time that we meet. It is technical analysis on what you're doing and how you're doing it and how you're hearing the music, as well as how you're engaging the line of dance and your dance partners. This is musical clarity, vocabulary certainty with hyperkinesthetic awareness. You will hear what you are doing, correct for it, and then create a richer, far deeper dancing experience for yourself as well as your dancing partners. Honestly, whether you're a beginner or an advancing dancer, Tango Topics Services has something for you. Registration is absolutely free, which gets you access to a wide range of free materials available right now to help you improve your dance. But if you really want to take advantage of what Tango Topics has to offer, you really want to go subscribe. Not to mention, you'll also be helping a brother out. I'm just saying, just throwing it out there. Visit tangotopics.com today and invigorate your dancing experience. Thanks so much for listening. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!